Hi, have you ever wondered how the writers let us step directly into a character's mind, their emotions and feelings? If yes, then today we are going to discuss one of the most fascinating concept of English literature, that is stream of consciousness. Now, the modernist writers used this technique, stream of consciousness, and let the readers delve deep into the character's psychological world. Now, what is stream of consciousness? Stream of consciousness is a narrative technique and it presents a continuous, uninterrupted, unedited flow of emotions, feelings, impressions, sensations, and memories. And it does not follow any logical sequence because the thoughts are moving freely from one to another, just as they do in the human minds. Originally, the term stream of consciousness is derived from the American psychologist William James, and he first gave us the term stream of consciousness in his book, The Principles of Psychology. And later, our modernist writers, they adapted this technique and they make it a narrative technique, and it helped them to make the readers give an insight of a character's intimate emotions, right? Now, who are the writers who used and employed this technique in their works? You can see that Virginia Woolf in her novels like To the Lighthouse, Mrs. Dalloway used this technique, and William Faulkner, he used this technique in The Sound and the Fury, and even James Joyce, he also used this technique in Ulysses. Now let us discuss To the Lighthouse and let us understand the concept more precisely. So To the Lighthouse, here Virginia Woolf, it is actually one of her best works, and here she employed the technique stream of consciousness to understand the inner psychology of Mrs. Ramsay. Here we find Mrs. Ramsay, she is very kind, she is very caring and loving lady, but at the same time she is a very complex character also, right? So to understand Mrs. Ramsay's consciousness, her inner psychology, she employed the stream of consciousness technique, and it helped the readers a lot, right? So at first in the novel, we find Mrs. Ramsay, she is watching through her window and she is noticing Lily Briscoe and Mr. Banks, and she is thinking about their marriage. Then the second thought she is having about her house, and she is finding it very old, very shabby. Then the third thought she is having about the books. She is watching the piles of books, and she is having the thought that there are so many books that she has yet to read. Then the fourth thought she is having is about the another character, about the Swiss girl and her father, right? So we can see that there are so many thoughts, and it is very unorganized, very raw, just as they occur in the human minds, right? So it is a raw and unorganized thoughts, and that thought is flowing from one to another. So this is the stream of consciousness technique that helps the reader to understand the intimate part of the human mind, of the character, the intimate part of the character, their mind, their thoughts, their emotions, their memories, their impressions, their sensations, everything. So I hope you understand the concept clearly. So now let me know if you read some novels on some characters where the stream of consciousness technique is used, and if you like my content, then please do like, share and subscribe. Follow for more. Thank you.